Probably inside.
Alright, I'll take point for...
Move it!
There! Windows! Hey, you got contact left!
Let's get ahead. Oh, ricochet. Ooh. I think there's a guy in the top window.
You're going right!
Yo, Frank.
Yeah.
See if you can take some guys and like push around. You know what I mean?
I'm trying to, but there's not enough out here. They're pushing towards train tunnel. Let's see what I can do. We're gonna test where to go. You stay here.
All right. Yeah. Come on.
Got you, you're good.
Right here. Come back in.
We need people pushing around this way. They're gonna. We can't let them flank us from the back. Yo, can you guys push around and get up to this door? Just. Yeah. Then you can get an angle on them.
You want us to go in the door?
No, just get an angle. Just what?
They have the opposite trailer.
Yeah, they have the opposite trailer.
Fucking knee-high caps. I fucking hate him.
Mike, where's our shit?
I don't know, bro. Everything is in the netted area.
That's it. Time to get that shit.
Dynamite.
You're good, take it. Pass it back there.
2 dynamite.
Got it.
Start getting everything out. Get everything out.
We're blue. Here, I got him.
I got one.
Here, give me one. I'll go to this corner.
Dynamite.
Fuck. That was a little bit too early. Yeah, listen, what this is gonna be hot as shit. Fuck. Move down.
Go.
You got a frag again?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, Mike, suppress! Suppress the window! Your hand, baby. Remember, guys, semi-auto. Suppress the window.
Alright, which one?
All of them. Suppress all the windows. Pick the window and shoot at it.
I don't know if the... Hey, let me try to get an eye on him.
Too hot. Load it. It's too hot. Wait till we're not here.
Second window to the left. Bottom left corner.
Shoot. Buddy, right here in the tall window. Yeah. Shoot the guy, the second window is to the left.
John, you see that guy in the bottom left window for you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on, here. Hit. Yeah. He's done. You're up. Jeremy! Somebody keeps losing money.
I'll take it.
No. Trouble has somebody else's. I think it might be
Last window!
Hey! Was that already checked?
He picked it
Alright.
up and he didn't want to tell anybody how much denomination it was. Guys, small window left! Small window left!
Actually.
Greg!
Got one.
Guy over there.
He's out!
Here, here.
Oh, down.
Yeah, stay down, stay down. I'm getting ricocheted.
Good? Yes, I just like 6 rounds, you guys, and close me. Where? Right, the one beside, left of the door. Hit! Fuck, hit! I'm hit!
Too fucking hot.
You want to try this?
Medic!
Here.
John, you good?
Yo, we got any medics in here?
Medic!
We have a ton. Ref, I don't know. You cannot move that.
It's a bad spot, Angel.
I'm trying to get that. Fuck.
You hit?
No, it's left window.
Guys, come on, let's suppress these windows.
Suppress this window, guys.
Oh, he's not hit.
You hit?
Yeah, he's got a move on it.
Suppressing, suppressing, suppressing.
Go! Bring that shit!
I'll do suppressing.
I'm gonna go to the corner.
Fuck. You can ricochet, dude.
What are we doing?
Wait. It's up to you. Do you have a secondary one? Oh, this is his. That's his? Okay,
I can toss it, you guys.
okay. If you're here, I'm here. If I can bleed out.
I've got grenades. You guys running? Fuck. Running out of options here.
Yeah, I know. We're waiting too long. Where are you going? There's a warning. Cover!
Nice, John, nice. Yo, is that friendly down there, Eli? Main door, main door. Alright, we got. Yo, friendlies. Yo. Friendlies to the right.
Yo, we got friendly.
We got friendlies coming in this doorway. Watch out.
Copy.
Friendly, friendly.
Sir, medic.
Angel, you good?
Eli. Good. Alright, stay down, John, stay down. I'll peek. Left's clear.
Right window.
Yeah, second to the left. That's second to the left window.
Yo, we got a guy on the wall.
He's
We got a guy right at that window.
Eli.
He's out.
Eli.
No, you're not walking. 2-minute bleed out.
We traded. Alright, I traded with that kid. Should I try to run out there or no?
What's the status of the wall guy?
I think Angel got him. Angel, you down?
No, he's right. Angel's good.
All right.
Angel's good.
You get the guy on the wall?
Yeah, they're both dead.
Left, second to left window. Eli, second to left window, right side.
Watch that guy.
Loading.
Guy at the door! Guy at the door on the right!
Fuck.
Hit!
Angel's hit.
Guys, they got us down really good.
You just gonna stay here?
Angel, bleed out and come back.
Same window.
Yeah, same. Eli, second to left window to the bottom right.
Anyone need medic?
Hit already.
Hey, do you need medic?
Go.
Fuck. Hit! Is that a ricochet? I don't fucking care. Alright, fuck. What are we gonna do? We need more guys.
You have to wait, let me in.
Oh, fuck!
Where the fuck are you?
All the windows, basically.
Mitchell!
Which
Hit all the windows! Fuck me
Uh,
up.
I'm not even getting the second to the right because I'm tying. But Eli, the second one to the left, there's always a guy. Where's Mike at?
Good? Hey, go high. Just light that out full out. I'm gonna move that to Angel.
Nah, he's a medic. We need him to stay alive. He's our medic. Angel can bleed out to you.
Angel's gonna bleed out in a couple minutes. Alright.
He's gonna bleed out to you, Eli, when he does.
I know.
We go right to the door.
This guy popping out right now.
Hey, I'm looking over to your side. There's like no horrible spot.
Oh, what?
Hey, can you not see them?
There's one guy in the second to the left window.
Hey, is this smoke good to go?
Alright,
Yep.
left side's
In the courtyard after.
left side's clear right now.
Yo, Ref!
Yo, is that hostile? No, he's friendly. Friendly!
Hey! Is that smoke good? Yeah, we gotta ask first.
Yo,
Hey, Ref!
it's not looking too hot right now.
In here!
It's not looking too hot, Eli.
Can we pop a smoke in the courtyard?
In the courtyard, that's it.
Alright.
Oh, just put that right on that freaking window right there.
Yeah, toss it right there in front of the window.
If you can get it. The first two right there.
I'll toss.
Here.
Just throw it literally up
Throw
against the
it
wall.
right against the fucking wall.
It's a nice toss, nice hard toss.
Eli.
You got it.
Think about it, if you get hit.
Here.
Medic right here.
Hold on.
Let it fizz, let it fizz. Wait.
Alright, Eli.
And now.
Go,
Get him down, John.
Alright, get out the way, get out the way.
Phosphorus.
We gotta make a fucking move.
Are we moving soon?
It's kind of sitting here. Guys, you ain't throw. It's not gonna pull off. It's underneath the stairs. Fuck.
Next time we give it to baseball players.
I am a baseball player.
Oh, shit.
Why should fly throw?
That's actually a decent smoke, too. Alright. Alright. Stay down.
Hey,
Doorway! You provided shielding after you got shot. I wouldn't have got me.
You good? Yeah.
You would have got me first.
Yo, nice rush, guys.
Are they still there? Or are they dead? Guy at the door, left!
Yo, we gotta get moving.
Is he out? Is he out, Mitch? Alright, he's dead.
Alright, let's make a move.
Yo, we gotta move.
Hey, Dodson, I'm not gonna lie. You're like right in my way.
I can't see shit in the door, dude.
I meant like, can you hop on this side?
I didn't know you were here, though. Like right here, like,
Can you hop on that side of the door?
So, Mike.
Can you hop on the side of the door?
my mask fall out?
I'm gonna go there again. I might as well.
Hey, Mitchell! Right side, there's a guy in the doorway.
Who we got in the back room?
We got a medic and
Hey,
John.
Yeah. Suppress those two left windows, okay?
Yeah, yo. Nick, if you can get the pressure on the two left windows. Yeah.
John, tell me when.
Alright, I'm back up. Let me know when.
Ready when you are.
On you!
Say go.
Hold.
Last light.
Hey, we're dead. 3, 2, 1, go!
Fucking Lucas is.
Hit. Motherfucking Polish. Hey, you're a medic, me.
Fuck, dude. It's hot as shit.
I know.
Mitchell! Yeah! Middle window, there's a fucking polar star. Light it up.
What the?
Right the fucking polar star. Fucking lit me up. Yeah!
I'm almost down the mid-cap.
Hey, I'll toss your couple.
Yo, Mike, we're looking.
Hey, dude, right here. We need to do something.
Mike.
Hey, John, can you run these Mitchell across the way?
Just throw them to me.
Alright, get out the fucking way. Move.
What's that one? I'm good.
Gotcha.
Alright, we'll back up.
I just want to, but I gotta reload first.
Alright, I'm about to fucking go and wrap around and fucking hit him from the side.
Too hot, it's too hot. Don't go.
Yeah, where are they?
Hit!
Yeah, I got you. You need medic?
You gotta use head, shoulders.
Sorry, I didn't
Alright,
know
you're good, you're good. Alright, back in. Thank you.
Hey, I need some cover fire so I can go and wrap around.
Where are they shooting from?
Left window.
Drop a good smoke, buddy!
Eli, get a peek on this left window
Hey.
corner.
Hey, I'm moving out. 3, 2, 1.
Fuck, he is. This guy's dead on. What the fuck? It's too hot, it's too hot.
Ready?
Yo, come on, come on, come on! Grenade! Yo, trailer's bagged! Alright, come on, come on, come on!
Grenades all through the trailer! Grenades all through the trailer!
Yo, Mike!
Grenades all through the trailer! Get that shit, get that shit! Cover the outside! Cover the outside! Dynamite! Let's go, let's go!
Yo, we need cover, we need cover. Let's go.
Yeah, we gotta thank Angel for that. I mean, Greg for that one. Greg and Angel and Mike. He said boom boom, and I was like, go! I got lit up on you. Mike, if I didn't leave. Literally like fucking. It's funny, I looked at Mike pinned up against that wall over there.
There's video of me, and there's probably a video of Angel like nose hair. The camera in my face, like in his mouth. I've never been so close to Angel in my life.
Hey, where's Mitchell?